Now I'm gonna show you about the dimensions, and to do that I have another figure here. So I want to have the linear dimensions, so I'm typing dim lin from this point up to this point, then go up. So its dimension is 5.6. Then another linear dimension, dim lin, from this point. Okay, dim lin. Linear dimension, that's linear dimension from this endpoint to this endpoint. So there's your dimension, 2. The next one would be, I will modify my dimensions. If you click here, you can stretch or move the dim line upwards, downwards, to the left, to the right. It would not change. It will just change the position. There. Like the one that we did in my third video, I think. So 5. Now let's select this point here. You can stretch, continue. Let's stretch it there. So it changed the position of the number. Okay. Now this line would change the digits in the number. If you put it here, it becomes 3 because the length also changed. Let's bring it back there. Now for the next one, we're gonna have to show how to put a radius dimension. So dim rad is for the radius dimension. Let's select this and it automatically measures the radius of that one. So it's 0.75. So let's modify it. Select it. This point would move the dimension. Move it here, move it here, move it here. There, bring it back. This center one would rotate the dimension. Okay. And this one would move it, stretch. Let's go around, go around. See? Do you understand the ways it is? Now we have a circle and we're gonna use the dimensions for the diameter. So dim, dia, and just select the circle and it automatically shows you the diameter of the circle. The diameter here is 2.5. Now let's modify it again. The same as what we did with the radius. Rotating the dimension. This point moves the dimension to another stretch point. This one stretches the dimension, make it shorter or longer. Changes the value. That's it. Now I have 2 circles. What I'm gonna do is to go to the dimensions line and modify it. Now I'm gonna change the mark. So let's mark it. Dim center. Select the arc. So there's my mark. Another one. And this time I'm gonna select line. Dim center. Select the circle. See the difference between the line and just the mark? Now I have 3 figures here. I'm gonna show you its angles, angular dimensions. So let's select this one and this one. So it shows that it has a 42-degree angle. Again, dim ang for the angular dimensions. Select this one and this one. To show the dimension of the arc, it's 175. Again, dim ang, this one and this one. Select it. Then it shows us that it has 105-degree angle. Now I have a figure here with complete dimensions. Now what I'm gonna show you is the dimension styles that I can change the precision of my decimals. So I want it to be 0, 0, just 2 decimal places. See? From 4 decimal places, it became 2 decimal places. 4 decimal.